power of dreams.
Honda has finally revealed the new gen version of WRV. The styling puts it in line with more premium SUVs in Honda's lineup. The new WRV is larger than the outgoing model and also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels. On the top-end variant, the WRV is being offered with two styling packages E and RS, with the latter being offered with the larger diamond-cut alloy wheels, red accents all around, as well as RS badging. At the front, the new WRV gets a larger grille flanked by chunky headlamps integrated with LED DRLs. Other styling highlights include roof rails, C-pillar mounted rear door handles, rounded wheel arches with plastic cladding, and a fairly clean-looking tailgate with wraparound LED tail lights. On the inside, the new WRV gets a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 4.2-inch TFT instrument cluster, auto climate control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, push-button start-stop, 6 speakers, and so on. The safety features on offer include 6 airbags, Honda sensing with lane keeping
Wheels
assist,
to win.
automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control and auto high beam assist,
Keep
lane
chasing
watch, vehicle
your
stability
dreams.
assist, hill start assist.